Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Open the Yaqoot Esim app and create an account using your email or phone number. Verify your identity with a one-time code sent by SMS or email to confirm access. Browse available plans and pick a plan by country, data, and validity period. Prices display in local currency and start from for short data bundles. Check out using card, Apple Pay, or Google Pay and receive a QR code instantly. Save the QR or copy the activation code before leaving Wi-Fi to ensure smooth setup. Use the QR code in settings to add the eSIM profile to your device. Open Settings, go to Cellular, then choose Add Cellular Plan and scan the QR code provided. Follow prompts to label the line and assign it as primary or secondary depending on your needs. Set the Yaqoot Esim as your data line if you want data over that profile. Enable cellular data and turn off Wi-Fi when testing the new eSIM connection. Restart the phone if activation does not complete within 2 minutes. Turn on data roaming in cellular settings when using the eSIM abroad to avoid blocked connections. Check your remaining data and validity in the Yaqoot app before traveling to prevent surprise expirations. Remove and reinstall the eSIM profile if activation fails or shows no service after restart. Make sure your phone supports dual SIM, eSIM functionality and has the latest OS updates installed. Contact Yaqoot support with your order ID and device model for faster help if problems persist. Transfer or remove the eSIM before selling or resetting your device to protect your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.